These are 7 free vocal effects that I actually use. First is La La by Analog Obsession, a clone of the LA2A optical compressor. It's great for creating a smooth and full-sounding vocal. To the left is an internal sidechain, which can be switched to external. To the right is the output gain, peak reduction level, and wet dry. Vastus by Wave Groove is a free alternative to Soothe 2. It's used for resonance reduction, which will make the vocal sound more balanced and less aggressive in the highs. To the left is the input gain and amount of the effect. In the middle, we could turn on dynamic processing and affect the harmonic distortion with the bias. To the right, we could alter the wet-dry mix. For Equalizer by Foley's Finest is a 6-band EQ, somewhat similar to the Pro Q3. Each filter can have 7 different types and are fully parametric with Q, amplitude, and frequency settings. What's useful about this plugin is the ability to solo bands to monitor their effect. Lastly, in the output section, we can enable auto gain compensation. Analog Delay by Nimbrini Audio is a simple but really effective delay. It could be set to the exact timing in milliseconds or synced to the host BPM. The left and the right taps can be offset from one another, and we can dial in the amount of feedback. There's a wet dry, which is useful, and we could include harmonic distortion with the analog switch at the bottom. Fresh Air by Slate Digital is one of my favorite free plugins. It amplifies high frequencies with a bell and a high shelf filter, as well as introduces harmonics to the high frequencies, causing a bright sound. The effect is incredibly aggressive, so be sure to dial it in subtly. To the bottom right, we also have a trim to compensate for any gain changes. GSAT Plus by TB Pro Audio is a fantastic saturation plugin. It offers 4 algorithms, multiple saturation stages and harmonic formations, variable odd and even ordered harmonic distortion, all of which can be applied to the stereo, left, right, mid, or side image. We have the option to clip our signal, as well as introduce oversampling. D-Reverb by Stone Voices is a great sounding effect on vocals with the potential for super long decay times. Pre-delay will help the dry vocal cut through, whereas modulation in the top right can make the reverb more convincing and realistic. Lastly, a stereo width function is great for BGVs since it creates a unique stereo placement for the reflections.